So this statue right here, it's called the Time. It's because everybody gathers here on George Street to have a time. Anyway, it's symbolic because it has 3 Newfoundland icons on it. Right here you have, oh God, I forget his, I forget his last name. Wilf Doyle, that's right. He was a traditional Newfoundland accordionist. And so that's what he's represented by here. And of course here you have Ron Hines, who's infamous for Sonny's Dream. He's also known as the man of 1,000 songs. So this definitely captures his likeness, that's for sure. And over this way you have Tommy Sexton. He's a comedian from Codco, an old series that used to be on years ago. It was a good show, it's funny. I remember watching that when I was younger. And I'm not 100% sure who the violinist is. But either way, it's a beautiful statue, isn't it? For those of you who don't know about George Street is pretty much the heartbeat of the nightlife here in St. John's. It's just one street full of bars and pubs and restaurants. It's all the entertainment you can need. So I'm going to give you a little tour of George Street now. It's been a few years since I've actually been down here. Going out drinking is not my thing anymore, especially the pubs. I don't like the crowds as much. But if you look over here, that's Trapper John's. That's one of the more popular spots here. Actually, I think they're all popular. For those not aware, George Street is quite famous. It's infamous for its congestion of bars and pubs. It has more bars and pubs per square foot on a single street than anywhere else in North America. So that's quite the claim to fame. None of this looks familiar anymore since the last time I was down. So I usually go to that's the bar over on my left that I usually go to. The Martini Bar, I like that bar. Upstairs is one type of music and downstairs it's usually something else. Greensleeves Pub over to my right. That's another pretty popular spot. But I didn't really spend much time in there. I spent most of my time at at the Martini Bar and the Sundance. Been to O'Reilly's a few times. If you look close, I'll bring you in. They got all the mummers in there. And snowmen. In the summertime, they host the George Street Festival here. And that's basically where you have about 120,000 people coming through here to watch bands play over a period of 6 days. It usually leads up to the Regatta Week. And you pay one cover charge, you come in and have yourself a good time. It's kind of the same thing they do in October with Mardi Gras, because they host Mardi Gras here and this place is usually packed for that as well. Christian's Pub. If you ever want to get Screech-in, that's a good old Newfoundland tradition where we make people from away honorary Newfoundlanders. Basically, you go in, You kiss a codfish, you do a dance, a jig, you recite, long may your big jib drum, you old cocky, and you eat some bologna and take a shot of Screech. Yes, that's the most important part. So it's actually quite the, it's a fun experience. It's fun for everybody, except for whoever's drinking the Screech. Now, aside from being famous, George Street is actually infamous because back in 1846, I believe the year was, St. John's had a huge, disastrous fire, and it actually started here on George Street. There was a cabinet maker shop, and they ended up a bucket of glue spilled over and caught fire, and that's what caught started the fire back in 1846. Yeah, that was a disaster. Yep, never thought I'd be back on George Street. Come down when it's not so busy. Even now, with the few people that's around working and hanging out, makes me quite paranoid, especially walking around with a camera and talking away to myself. Birdie Malloy's. See, all these places I've never been into before. Or Bridie Malloy's. Lottie's Place. Karaoke bar. Guess you can get Screech-ins at Trapper John's too. Yeah, I'm dragging this tour out a little bit too much, walking up and back down again. And we're back to the beginning. We'll finish off with these colorful stairs with the nice paintings on them. Nice guitar. Looks like a little octopus or a squid playing guitar. Cool. And of course, a nice old map of Newfoundland and Labrador. Well, that's it for my tour of George Street. Hope you enjoyed it or got something out of it. Killed 15 minutes or so of your day. Killed a couple hours for me, so that's great. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.